Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's prepare this delicious cookie together. So I have my butter here, so I'm just going to put my butter on the bowl. The next thing, I'm going to mash it a little bit before I will add my flour on it. I bring out the butter for a few minutes before I started using it. I pour my flour inside the bowl as well. My baking powder go also. So I'm just going to mix everything together before I add the rest ingredients. Now I wash my hand. I'm going to use my hand to mix everything together. So that's what I'm just doing as demonstrating on the video. When I'm done with mixing, so I will put the rest things, which is egg and the rest ingredients. So here I have my egg. I put it inside. I also have my sugar. I also have my vanilla sugar also, a pinch of salt. So I'm just going to mix everything together. Keep on watching, guys. I'm done with the mixing, guys. So the next thing, I'm just going to put the dough inside the fridge for a few hours. So I put it on the plastic. I'm going to put it on the fridge for a few hours. Few hours later, I bring it out. So I'm going to roll it and cut it to my desired shape. So that's what I'm doing now. I divide the dough into two to make it easier for the rolling. That's what I'm just doing now. So I'm rolling it gently. So I'm not harsh on the dough. I'm done with the rolling, so I'm just going to use cooking cutter to cut the dough to give me the beautiful shape that I'm going for. So it's just round, but it's really beautiful. So that is what I'm doing now. Just place it. Very easy, very simple and delicious. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just cutting it. I am done with the cutting, so I'm just going to remove the extra dough. I will put it on the tray. This cookie will go for 160 degrees for 15 to 17 minutes, guys. Guys, if you watch me to this moment, I really appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share to friends and family. So I just put a little bit of design on it, of course. So children love to see design on cookie. So that is what I'm just doing right now. So keep on watching, guys. So I'm just repeating the same thing for the rest dough. So I'm just repeating the same thing, guys. So we're almost done. So I just keep on doing the same thing which I did on the very first time. So I remove it. So I will put them on the tray and put it on the oven. So that's what I'm doing right now. We are almost done. Our cookie is ready to go to the oven, guys. So look at it. It was really scenting nice. It was tasting nice as well. So let's see what we have inside here. Wow, you see the way it broke? Oh my god, it tastes amazing. Thank you so much. See you on my next video. Bye bye.